Hello, my name is Aida Sofia Quintero Rodriguez, and I'm going to talk about cloning. In-enable cloning is a practice that is important and not completely known by society. Little said about this content being occasionally idealized or idea-directed, especially when it comes to ethics regarding the results it has contained. A biological clone is a set of identical individuals from the genetic point of view. This because they come from the same elements such as molecules, cells, tissues, organs, or complete multicellular organisms, among others. Each constitute of the replication with where the co-equal inborn data is the experiment elements. To carry out research that uses genetic cloning, the first thing that must be done is to cut the DNA fragment to be used in the correct position and with enzymes called restriction endonuclease, which act as molecular scissors. The fragments obtained are dejoined, a process carried out naturally by a joining enzyme called DNA ligase. Subsequently, a small circular DNA molecules capable of generating more copies itself is selected. This is achieved using cloning vectors that are plasmid or viral DNA, because are carrying molecules that transfer and replicate DNA fragments. The vector that carries the gene is known as recombinant plasmid and is introduced into bacteria so that through genetic process they can express the gene of give rise to the protein. The bacteria are kept in favorable growth conditions for their amplification and thus obtain multiple cells that have the cloned DNA fragments. They have some advantage. Gene cloning is used to obtain a specific gene in large quantities that can be used to produce a new vaccine, a new drug, or even improve the quality of the food we eat every day. Extraordinary progress has now been made for the benefit of the medical field using gene cloning. Scientists hope to find through genetic cloning the cure for diseases that have not been remedied. And I have a cloning on I have under debate into cloning. The most conservative sectors are those most like to religious ideas are generally opposite to all types of cloning, whatever its purpose, while an important part of public opinion and most scientists do not consider sufficient ethical reasons to deny the potential benefit of cloning applied to health. So this is all. Thank you for your attention.